Hello, beautiful. My name is Joany, and welcome to my channel. Well, as you guessed it, today, it's all about the veil. So grab your veil and come and belly dance with me. All right, so the veil, just a little review. I want you to wrap it around. Make sure that the edges are aligned. Wrap your fingers, your index fingers around the veil and hold it with the middle finger. Okay? And then it'll cover the top of your hand. Now, if you have a hard time, I do have beginner belly dancing veil. I'll post it in the description. So now we're going to start. Today it's going to be all about the toss, some turns and different levels of the arm. Okay? So let's do the toss. We're going to bring the arms up. Okay? And then I want you to toss the veil to the front. And arms up. And as you toss back, I want you to make sure that you open up the arms. Toss back. Toss the veil forward and toss back. Good, nice little view. Toss. Oh, I got the fan up here, so I gotta be careful. Okay, so now we're gonna add a step. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, toss the veil to the front. Okay, so I'm gonna go sideways this way so you can see. And start with the right foot. We go. 1, 2, 3, toss forward. Good, and now I want you to bring it back. Start with your left foot, back for 3. 1, 2, 3, toss back. 1, 2, 3, toss forward, back. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, and that's gonna happen where your veil might get stuck on your head, mostly if you have a ponytail like mine. And try not to kind of bring your head down though, just try to bring your arms high and then open fast. Up high and then open back. Okay, so let's do that again. To the back. 1, 2, 3, open. 1, 2, up and open. 1, 2, 3, up and open. That's it. It's up and open forward. Make sure your arms are straight up. And again, it takes practice. So we're warming up the arms. One more. Good. So now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and I want you to twist. Okay, so we're going to go, start with your right foot. So opposite hand. So you're going to go 1, and then 2, 3. Okay? And then we're going to go back, right foot, left arm. 1, 2, 3. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Good. So now we're going to do a triple step a bit faster. So we're going to go 1, 2, just the right side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm doing a little triple step. Chasse, so we're going to step together, step, and step together, step. Step together, step. Step together, step. And go back. Step together, step. Step together, step. Step together, step. All right, so again, small steps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I go on the ball of your feet, but you could go just flat. So now you're going to start with the right chasse, and then I want you to do the opposite arm, left hand. Okay, keep your arms behind, and we're going to go twist. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Again, right, left foot, right foot chasse, left foot. Right foot back, left arm, right arm, and back. So opposite CBM. So opposite foot. So you're gonna go right foot, right arm. Okay, so let's do a triple step. Right foot, left arm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Keep your veil off the floor. Okay, so now we're gonna add some embellishment. So I want you to go left arm 1, 2, and then lift when you go back. Right arm palms down and then palms up. Palms down. So when the arm goes forward, bring your palms down, and then when it goes back, palms up. Ooh, lots to think about. And we go 5, 6, 7, and palms down, palms up. Oops, wrong foot. I'm looking at the camera. And again. Good. So now let's put this together. We're going to go to the corner. We're going to toss the veil. And then we're going to go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now get ready. Right foot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And back. And walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. And that's going to happen. That's why you have to practice the veil. Okay, so now we're going to go in a circle with that triple step. So I want you to go right foot triple step, just focus on the feet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right foot, left foot. Right foot, left foot. And walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold and back. 2, 3, hold 4, and then do that circle. You ready? Okay, so let's do that together. Walk with the right foot, toss the veil. Come back, toss the veil, and then let's do a circle. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Opposite hand. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Walk. 1, 2, 3. Toss the bell. 1, 2, 3. Toss back. Twist and twist. Now with the twist, we could add different levels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now instead of twisting where the waist is, let's bring it higher over the shoulder. You ready? Start with the right. And 1, 2, 3. Walk. 1, 2, 3. Toss. 1, 6, 7, and shoulders. Do the same thing with the hands. Walk. Okay, now you can bring the arms above the head. Okay, let's do the triple step and twist. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and walk. Keep the arms up and toss. Up. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Down. And walk. Toss. Down. Woo, I feel the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Shoulder height. Shoulder height again. Keep your shoulder height above the head. Oops. And again, above the head. One more time. Woo! And hold. Wow, if you don't feel the arms, you're super strong, because I'm feeling the arms working. So, good job. You can stretch it out. Woo, shake it out. Yes, I could feel that. Good job, ladies and men. So keep working the veil. So this is one small drill. It was just 2 movement, the toss and the twist with some foot variation. All right, great job. Love you. See you in the next video. Bye.